machiegni kendo nyako Ramogi Piny owacho singo mar medo tudruok e yor lony manyasani ka giketo faiba maloyo kilomita 100,000 e pacho ka. Koyango chenro machalo kamae, bende wachne jo Kenya mar mondo mi obedi gi medo yore goeko mag tudruok e yor lony manyasani. Nonro mag jo Kenya bende nyaka riti mondo kik ti kodgi e timo njore. Yote omedo ni piny owacho dhi rido rode mag kuo mag nonro mag jo Kenya kanyakla kod kuo mitimo kitiyo gi nonro oganda.
We are not able to diagnose, we are not able to treat, we are not able to research. So that is our role, to make sure that when that health data is collected, it's the institutions collecting it secure it.
We are embarking on an ambitious program of rolling out 100,000 kilometers of fiber optic cable to enhance the ICT infrastructure in all parts of the country. We are establishing and operationalizing 25,000 free Wi-Fi hotspots all over the country, and also in the same vein, setting up a total of 1,450 digital hubs in all the wards.
Over the next 5 years, we shall construct another 100,000 kilometers of national fiber optic network to achieve universal broadband connectivity in the country. We want to enhance government services delivery by digitizing and, wherever possible, automating critical processes, and by migrating 80% of services online, as I have said. And we are developing the digital master plan and establishing a regional app to promote the large-scale development of software for export.